Hi, my name is Dimi and I'm an instructor at European Bartender School. Bartending is my passion and I've been in the industry for 15 years now. I pass my knowledge on to EBS students every day to help them become the best bartenders they can be. We've prepared these episodes for you to learn some tips and tricks and shine at the next cocktail party you organize. So let's get started. In general, to make a well-balanced mixed drink like a gin tonic or a whiskey ginger ale, we use a quarter of the base spirit and 3/4 of the mixer. So I'll start by using 50 milliliters of gin, and then we top it up with about 150 milliliters of tonic. And as garnish, I'm going to finish with a nice classic lime wedge, which is a perfect addition to a fresh gin and tonic. Rim the glass a little, drop it in there, and enjoy. Cheers! So first, this is called a Boston shaker, and this is how to close it. Always give it a light tap to make sure it's properly closed. And then when we shake, we keep the open part towards ourselves. So if something goes wrong, we don't have an angry friend next to us, but just a wet t-shirt. And now, how do we actually open a shaker? There is an open and a closed part to it. Just give it a tick somewhere in between, and voila. I wanted to give you a nice tip that if you don't have a nice fancy Boston shaker at home, you can use any jar basically to shake your drink. And then if you're wondering how to strain it, just keep the lid slightly open, take a tea strainer and strain your drink through them. And now a simple mint trick to show the difference between taste and flavor. What we're going to do is eat a leaf of mint, close our nose and start chewing. The taste that we feel is bitter, and when we let go and breathe in, nice and fresh minty aroma, and this is the flavor that we look for. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!